In the last lecture, we see second derivative test of maxima and minima. In this lecture, we see some applied examples on maxima and minima. Here, we see the example: divide the number 30 into two parts such that their product is maximum. Okay, here maximum and minimum. Okay, where y is equal to f of x is any function, then we find the maximum or minimum value of the function. Here we find the maximum value. Okay, and maximum value, which maximum value? It is the product of two numbers. Here the function is product of two numbers, and that two numbers, here the numbers divide the numbers in 30 into two parts. Let's consider that two numbers are x and y. Then their product, that is here function is a product and function is a maximum when the two numbers, we find the numbers. Here let x and y are two parts of number 30. Okay, therefore it is given, it is x and y are the two parts of the number, that is x plus y is equal to 30. Now the product of these two numbers, product of two numbers, it is p, and that is equal to xy. Okay, now the function in terms of x or in terms of y, that is f of x or f of y. We know that the working rule of the second derivative test, it is given function f of x, then we find f dash of x, then take f dash of x is equal to 0 to find the turning points, and then find f double dash, and then put the values of turning points at in the f double dash of x, and then f double dash, value of f double dash, it is negative, then it is maximum, and value of f double dash is positive, then it is a minimum. Okay, now here x into y, it is a function of xy, so convert this x into y in terms of x only or in terms of y only. We convert it is in terms of f of x, therefore put the value of y, therefore here y is equal to 30 minus x, therefore this product p in terms of f of x, and that is x into 30 minus x, it is a product in terms of x, it is a product, therefore f of x is equal to 30x minus x square, it is the value of f of x. Here we see in the last lecture there were f of x is given. Okay, here we find first f of x and then apply the second derivative test. That means here it is f of x, then find f dash of x, then take f dash of x equal to 0, then find f double dash of x, and then put the stationary points in f double dash of x. Okay, here in the last lecture we see second derivative examples on second derivative test. There were, it is f of x is given. Okay, here we find first f of x and then apply the second derivative test. Now differentiate with respect to x, therefore f dash of x is equal to 30 minus 2x. Now to find the stationary points, put f dash of x is equal to 0, therefore take f dash of x is equal to 0 to find the values of x, therefore 30 minus 2x is equal to 0, therefore 2x is equal to 30, and therefore x is equal to 15, it is the value of x. Now we find f double dash of x, that is double derivative, it is f dash of x, then it is minus 2, it is f double dash of x, then put the value of x, therefore f double dash of 15 is equal to minus 2, and which is less than 0, therefore f of x is maximum at x is equal to 15. Here f of x is maximum, and what is the f of x? F of x is a product, then product is maximum when x is equal to 15, and when x is equal to 15, y is equal to also 15. Okay, here f of x is maximum at x is equal to 15, therefore y is equal to 30 minus x, that is 30 minus 15, and is also 15. Therefore 15 and 15 are two parts of 30. Two parts of 30 such that their product is maximum. Okay. Here 50 and 50 are the two parts and their product is maximum. It is a product P of two numbers, then this product P converted into f of x, and then this. Okay. Here f of x is equal to 30x minus x square. It is a function, and then we use the working rule of second derivative test, that is f dash of x, then take f dash of x is equal to 0, f double dash, and then put the values of x in double derivative. Okay. Now we see next example. Here again it is divide that the number 20 into two parts such that the sum of their square is minimum. Here it is a minimum value and it is the sum of their square is minimum. Therefore here we consider x and y are the numbers, then the function x square plus y square is minimum. Okay, it is function x square plus y square, sum of their squares. Now let x and y are the two parts of 20. Therefore we can write x plus y is equal to 20. That is y is equal to 20 minus x. It is y is equal to 20 minus x. Then sum of their squares, sum of squares of x and y is equal to, it is x square plus y square. It is suppose sum, consider yes. Okay. Sum of the squares of y is, it is yes, and that is x square plus y square. Now this yes can be written as in terms of x or in terms of y. Therefore yes is equal to here f of x, x square plus 20 minus x whole square, that is x square plus y square. Now this calculate. Then x square plus, it is 20 minus x square, it is 400 minus 40x and plus x square. Therefore f of x is equal to 2x square minus 40x plus 400. Okay, now it is f of x. Okay, now then we apply the second derivative test. Therefore it is f of x, then find f dash of x, then take f dash of x is equal to 0. Therefore differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to 4x minus 40. Okay, 4x minus 40. Then take f dash of x is equal to 0 to find the stationary points. Therefore 4x minus 40 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 40 and therefore x is equal to 10. Okay, now find f double dash. F double dash of x, and then f double dash of x here. It is f dash of x. Okay. So it is f dash of x. Now derivative is 4, and therefore f double dash of x is equal to 4. Put the value of x. It is 10. It is 4, and which is greater than 0. Therefore f of x is minimum at x is equal to 10. That is f of x is minimum. That is the sum of their squares is minimum at x is equal to 10. Sum of the squares is minimum at x is equal to 10. Now, if x is equal to 10, therefore y is equal to 20 minus x. That is 20 minus 10, and it is 10. Okay. Therefore, it is 10 and 10 are 2 parts of 20. Okay. 10 and 10 are the 2 parts of the 20, such that the sum of their square is minimum. Okay. Now, here we see next example. The next example, a wire of length 36 meter is bent in the form of rectangle. Find its dimension if the area of rectangle is maximum. Okay. आता इथं मॅक्झिमम किंवा मिनिमम काहीतरी दिलेलं असणार. जे मॅक्झिमम किंवा मिनिमम दिलेलं असणार ते झालं आपलं फंक्शन. देन आता इथं मॅक्झिमम काय दिलेले, तर इट इज द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टँगल. देन एरिया ऑफ रेक्टँगल इज आवर फंक्शन. ओके. एफ ऑफ एक्सच्या फॉर्म मध्ये काय कन्वर्ट करायचं, दॅट इज द एरिया ऑफ द rectangle. Okay, now area of rectangle is length into breadth. Therefore, dimensions of rectangle are considered, it is x and y. Okay, here let x meter and y meter are dimensions of rectangle. Okay. Here, given that a wire of 36 meter long, it is a wire of 36 meter long, okay, bent into form of the rectangle, that means the perimeter of rectangle, it is a given, it is a 36 meter. Okay, therefore given that perimeter of rectangle is 36 meter. Okay, therefore we can write it is a perimeter of rectangle 2x plus 2y is equal to 36. Perimeter of rectangle it is 2x plus 2y or 2 into x plus y, काही लिहिलं तरी चालतंय. Then x plus y is equal to 18, and that is y is equal to 18 minus x. Okay, now here maximum is area of triangle. Now area of triangle is our function, therefore the area of the rectangle. Okay, then area of rectangle is, it is a x into y. Therefore convert the area into f of x in the form of f of x. Therefore area, it is f of x is equal to x into y, that is 18 minus x. Now it is our function. Okay, convert a into f of x, it is. Then therefore f of x is equal to 18x minus x square. Now find f double dash, sorry, first f dash of x. Therefore f dash of x is equal to 18 minus 2x. Now take f dash of x equal to 0. Take f dash of x equal to 0. Therefore here it is 18 minus 2x is equal to 0. Therefore 2x is equal to 18, that is x is equal to 9. Okay, now f double dash of x, f dash of x is this, therefore it is minus 2, and then put the value of x. F double dash of 9 is equal to minus 2, which is less than 0. Therefore, f of x is maximum at x is equal to 9. F of x is maximum at x is equal to 9. What is f of x? F of x is the area of the rectangle. Therefore, area of rectangle is maximum at x is equal to 9. And therefore, y is equal to 18 minus x, then 18 minus 9, and therefore 9. Therefore, dimensions of rectangle are 9 meter and 9 meter are the dimensions of rectangle. Okay, when area is maximum, when f of x is maximum, then dimensions of area. Okay, when its area is maximum. Okay, now when area is maximum, then dimensions of this. Okay, here the area of the rectangle, it is a into xy. Okay, a ला f of x च्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिले, तुम्ही हे कन्वर्जन f of x नाही लिहिले तरी चालते. ओके, हियर सरळ a इक्वल टू इन दैट टर्म, हियर a, it is a. Therefore, differentiate a with respect to x. Therefore, it is dA by dx. dA by dx. Now, put dA by dx is equal to 0. Put dA by dx equal to 0. Now, x is equal to, then find again double derivative. Therefore, it is d2a by dx2. Okay, and it is d2a by dx2 at x is equal to 9. It is minus 2, and therefore f of x is the area. Therefore, area is maximum at x is equal to. ओके, फक्त नोटेशन बदलले, बाकी काही नाही. ए च्या जागेवर ए. पण लास्ट लेक्चर मध्ये आपण काय वर्किंग रूल जे स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म मध्ये लिहून घेतले, त्याच्यात y इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स घेतलं. एफ ऑफ एक्स इज एनी फंक्शन. हियर फंक्शन इट इज अ एरिया. लास्ट दोन प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये प्रॉडक्ट और सम ऑफ द नंबर्स या टाइप मध्ये फंक्शन होतं. आणखी नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल मध्ये व्हॉल्यूम असेल फंक्शन. फक्त व्हॉल्यूमला तुम्ही एफ ऑफ एक्सच्या फॉर्म मध्ये कन्वर्ट करा, किंवा व्हॉल्यूमला व्ही एज इट इज नोटेशन राहू द्या. ए ला एफ ऑफ एक्स मध्ये कन्वर्ट करा, किंवा ए ला ए एज इट इज राहू द्या, फक्त नोटेशन नुसार. मग त्या नोटेशन नुसार डेरिव्हेटिव्ह लिहा. व्हेन वी राईट एफ ऑफ एक्स, देन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इज एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स, अँड व्हेन वी राईट ए, देन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, इट इज डी ए बाय डी एक्स. फक्त नोटेशन बदला, बाकी मिनिंग कोणतेही चेंज होत नाही. ओके, हे असं लिहा, किंवा याच्या आधी जसं लिहिलं एफ ऑफ एक्स मध्ये कन्वर्ट करून लिहा, तसं लिहिलं तरी चालतंय. ओके, नाउ वी सी नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. Here, next example, the perimeter of triangle is 10 centimeter. If one of the side is 4 centimeter, what are the area of two sides when the triangle for its maximum area? Now, when 3 sides are given, we know that the area of triangle, when 3 sides are given, it is A, B and C. Okay, here अँगल ए म्हणलं तर इट इज ए साइड, ए बी सी असं लिहिलं तरी चालतंय. ओके, आपण स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म मध्ये बुक मध्ये या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिले, इट इज ट्रायंगल ए बी अँड सी आर द साइड्स. ओके, ए बी सी. देन पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल, इट इज ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, ए प्लस बी प्लस सी. ओके, इट इज एस, इट इज अ पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल. सॉरी, इट इज 2s, पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल. A plus B plus C. Okay, S is a half perimeter of triangle. Then area of triangle is under root of S into S minus A, S minus C, sorry, S minus B, and it is S minus C. It is the area of triangle. Now here it is given the perimeter of triangle is 10 centimeter. That is A plus B plus C is equal to 10. It is given. Okay, and then we want to find the maximum area, then find the value of a and b. Okay, आता a and b notation as it is राहू द्या किंवा x आणि y घ्या, because here one side is a given. Okay, here one side is given, therefore it is x, it is y and it is 4. Okay, one side is given and it is a 4. Okay, notation तुम्ही x, y and 4 असं घेतलं तरी चालतंय. Okay, now let x centimeter and y centimeter are the two sides of triangle, and one side of 4 centimeter is given. Okay, therefore perimeter of triangle is, it is 2s is equal to x plus y plus 4, x plus y plus 4. Okay, and perimeter of triangle is 10 centimeter. Okay, that is 2s is equal to 10 centimeter, then x plus y plus 4, then x plus y is equal to 6, and therefore y is equal to 6 minus x. Okay, y ची व्हॅल्यू कशासाठी काढली, तर it is when we put y in terms of x, then we get f of x. Okay, then x plus y is equal to 6, and then 2s is equal to 10, that means s is equal to 5, and it is 2s is equal to 10, that is s is equal to 5. Therefore area of triangle is, area of triangle is equal to under root of s into s minus x into s minus y and into s minus 4. Okay, it is s. Now area of triangle convert in terms of f of x, therefore area is equal to f of x, then it is under root of, it is s into s minus x into s minus 6 minus x, that is 6 plus x, and into s minus 4. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to, okay, here easily, therefore f of x is equal to, put the value of s, and s is equal to 5, therefore it is 5 into 5 minus x into 5 minus 6 plus x and into 5 minus 4. Okay, therefore it is under root of, it is 5 minus x, it is minus 1 plus x, and it is into 1. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to under root of, take the multiplication, it is 5, and take the multiplication, it is minus 5 plus 5x, 5 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायला, minus 5 plus 5x, त्याच्यानंतर plus x and minus x square. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to under root of 5 into, it is minus x square plus 6x and minus 5. It is the f of x. Okay, by using the formula area of triangle, s into s minus s into s minus y into s minus 4, that is formula a, b, c are the sides, then s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, x, y and 4 are the sides of triangle, and s is a half perimeter. Okay, it is a f of x. Okay, आता आपल्याला f of x मिळाले. आता याच्यानंतर मग सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, दॅट इज फाइंड फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह then take first derivative equal to 0 and then find second derivative. Now first derivative, therefore f dash of x is equal to, it is 1 by 2 under root 5 into minus x square plus 6x minus 5 into derivative of that term, it is minus 2x, it is 5 as it is, okay, 5 into या पूर्ण टर्मचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह minus 2x plus 6, okay, and therefore it is 2 कॉमन काढून कॅन्सल करा, therefore 5 into minus x plus 3 upon under root of 5 into minus x square plus 6x minus 5. Okay, it is a f dash of x. Then take f dash of x is equal to 0. Therefore, take f dash of x equal to 0. Therefore, you can write 5 into minus x plus 3 upon under root 5 into minus x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Under root इकडे नेऊन 0 करा, it is 5, हे सुद्धा 0, म्हणजे minus x plus 3 equal to 0. That is x is equal to 3. It is the x is equal to 3. Now we find f double dash. Okay, f double derivative. It is f dash of x. Now f double dash of x. Now here u by v. Okay, f double dash, it is 5 as it is into, okay, u by v formula under root, it is 5 into minus x square plus 6x minus 5 into derivative of minus x plus 1, it is minus 1, minus minus x plus 3 into derivative of this term, and derivative of this term, it is this 5 into minus x plus 3 upon under root of 5 into minus x square plus 6x minus 5 whole to the upon under root 5 into minus x square plus 6x minus 5 whole square. Okay, it is a formula for the u by v. Here it is the derivative u by v. 5 as it is, phi into derivative of u, that is x minus x plus 3 is a derivative. Then minus x plus 3 as it is, and into derivative of phi under root of 5 minus, it is under root of 5 into minus x square plus 6x. याचा derivative काय येणार? It is हे derivative as it is लिहिले. Then now calculate. Therefore f double dash of x, it is 5 into, now calculate. Here minus x, it is whole square and it is 5. अंडर रूट ने इकडे मल्टिप्लाय करणार, हे अंडर रूट कॅन्सल होऊन जाईल. ओके, देअरफॉर मायनस इन ब्रॅकेट 5 इंटू मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 6x मायनस 5 अंडर रूट, हे अंडर रूट कॅन्सल आणि इट इज मायनस. ओके, अँड मायनस 5 इंटू मायनस एक्स प्लस 3 होल स्क्वेअर and whole to the upon under root, that under root can be written as in the denominator. Here is square and under root, then power 3 by 2, that is it is square. Okay, under root निघून जाईल and it is under root, the power 3 by 2 लिहितो. It is 5 into minus x square plus 6x plus minus 5 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, it is our f double dash of x, 5 into this term. Okay, 5 कॅन्सल करता येते, राहू दे, नंतर कॉमन काढून कॅन्सल करता येते, ते नंतर पाहू. देन आता हे झालं तुमचा f डबल डॅश. नाव आपल्याला काय पाहिजे, एरिया मॅक्झिमम आला पाहिजे. मॅक्झिमम म्हणजे ही पूर्ण टर्म निगेटिव्ह आली पाहिजे व्हेन x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, when we put x is equal to 3, Okay, here it is negative. When x is equal to 3 it is positive, that is 9 and it is positive. Okay, म्हणजे ही पूर्ण टर्म पॉझिटिव्ह होणार, दॅट इज निगेटिव्ह. पुन्हा हे स्क्वेअर आहे, हेही पॉझिटिव्ह होणार, हे निगेटिव्ह. दोन्ही निगेटिव्ह. न्यूमरेटर इज निगेटिव्ह. न्यूमरेटर व्हेन एफ ऑफ वी पुट एफ डबल डॅश ऑफ 3, when we put f double dash of 3, when we put x replaced by 3, then it is less than 0. x च्या जागेवर 3 ठेवा, it is 3. Okay, 3 square it is minus 9. Okay, here 18 minus 9 minus 5 it is 14, minus 14 plus 18 it is plus 4. Plus 4 into this, that means this term is plus, therefore it is minus. ही पूर्ण टर्म निगेटिव्ह and then ही सेकंड टर्म ही निगेटिव्ह, म्हणजेच न्यूमरेटर पूर्ण निगेटिव्ह, दॅट इज निगेटिव्ह. ओके, देन ही टर्म पॉझिटिव्ह, म्हणजे टोटल लेस दॅन 0 and less than 0 means area maximum and therefore f of x is maximum at x is equal to 3. Therefore one side of a triangle is 3 and other side is also 3 and third side is given, it is 4. Therefore dimensions of triangle are 3, 3 and 4. 4 it is a given, therefore other two sides are 3 and 3. Last two step write carefully. Okay, last two step, then it is the solution. Now we see the next example. Here next example, a ball is thrown in the air, its height at any time t is given by h is equal to 3 plus 14t minus 5t square. Find the maximum height it can be reached. The maximum काय दिलेले, that is the height. Then we want to find the maximum value of the height, that is here function is a height. We want to find the maximum value of the function and function is given that it is h in terms of t, that is h is equal to f of t या फॉर्म मध्ये दिलेले. Okay, here given the height at any time t is h is equal to 3 plus 14t minus 5t square, that is it is h it is a f dash of t, sorry it is h is f of t and it is 3 plus 14t minus 5t square. Okay, now आता प्रॉब्लेम पुन्हा सेम, मागचे प्रॉब्लेम फक्त एफ ऑफ एक्सच्या फॉर्ममध्ये होते, इथे एफ ऑफ टीच्या फॉर्ममध्ये आहेत. मग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टी पूर्ण प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करा, एफ डॅश ऑफ टी काढा, एफ डबल डॅश ऑफ टी अँड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ टी. ओके, मागचे प्रॉब्लेम फक्त एक्समध्ये होते, हे टीमध्ये आहे, बाकी काहीही चेंज नाही. देअरफॉर डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टी. दॅट एफ डॅश ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू, इट इज 3 चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0. ओके, देअरफॉर 14 मायनस 10t. देन take f dash of t is equal to 0 and therefore 14 minus 10t is equal to 0. Then 10t is equal to 14 and therefore t is equal to 14 by 10, that means 1.4. It is the value of t. Now f double dash of t is equal to, it is minus 10. Then f double dash of 1.4 is equal to minus 10 and which is less than 0. Therefore we can write f of t is a maximum at t is equal to 1.4. Okay, f of t is maximum at t is equal to 1.4. Therefore maximum value of f of t, therefore maximum value of f of t, that is height, is therefore h at t is equal to 1/4, so 1.4. Therefore h is equal to 3 plus 14 into 1.4 and minus 5 into it is 1.4 square. It is the height 14 and it is 5 into 1.4 square. Then it is 3 plus 14 into 14 196. Okay, that is 19.6 minus 5 into 1.96 1.4 the square. Then it is 21.6 minus 5 no multiply करा 5 6 30 it is 0 carry 3 5 9 are 140 so it is 45 and 3 it is 48 then carry 4 5 it is 9. Okay. Therefore h is equal to it is 6 minus 8 that is 16 minus 8 it is 8. Now here 16 means here 0. Okay, 0 means 10 minus 9 it is 1, 10 minus 9 it is 1 and then it is 2 it is 1. Okay, and therefore h is equal to approximately it is 12. It is unit nahi दिलेली, it is 12 units. Okay, h is equal to 12 units at 1.4. Okay, calculation व्यवस्थित check करें. It is 16 minus 8 here 0 that means 10 minus 9 1 and it is 1. Okay, there it is 12 units. It is the height, maximum height. Okay, now we see the next example. Here फक्त इथं फंक्शन y च्या फॉर्म मध्ये होतं सर इट इज t च्या फॉर्म मध्ये. आपला आतापर्यंत f ऑफ x होतं, आता इथे f ऑफ t आणि ॲज इट इज h ला h राहू दिलं तरी चालते. मग dh बाय dt f डॅश ऑफ t च्या जागेवर काय लिहिणार dh बाय dt. देन f डॅश टेक f डॅश ऑफ t इज इक्वल टू 0. h ॲज इट इज राहू दिलं तर टेक dh बाय dt इज इक्वल टू 0. फक्त नोटेशन चेंज होणार, बाकी फरक काही पडणार. देन नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल हियर find two numbers whose sum is 15. Okay, here let x and y are two numbers. Okay, here given x plus y is equal to 15, that is okay, x value काढा और y ची value काढा. It is that is y is equal to 15 minus x. Okay, then आता इथं फंक्शन मॅक्झिमम काय, when the square of 1 is multiplied by the cube of other, that is here again product. Okay, therefore square of 1 multiplied by cube of other, therefore it is p is equal to x square into y cube. Okay, it is multiplication, that is product. Okay, p एक notation घेते, x square into y cube. Now put the value of y, it is 15 minus x, it is 15 minus x and then calculation 15 minus x whole cube and then multiply by x square. Okay, आता इथे कॅल्क्युलेशन सिंपल करण्यासाठी याला p ला f ऑफ x च्या फॉर्म मध्ये कन्वर्ट करण्याच्या f ऑफ y च्या फॉर्म मध्ये कन्वर्ट करा, म्हणजे थोडं सोपं जाईल. ओके, कॅल्क्युलेशन म्हणजेच तुम्हाला काय क्यूब करण्याच्या ऐवजी स्क्वेअर करायची गरज पडेल. यार इथं आपण असं लिहू x इक्वल टू in terms of y, therefore p that is product multiplication is equal to f of y is equal to x काय 15 minus y whole square into y cube. Okay, 15 minus y whole square into y cube. Here take the square, it is 225 minus 30y plus y square into y cube. Okay. Then it is 225y cube minus 30y to the power 4 and plus y to the power 5. Okay. Here, then it is the value of f of y. Then differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y. Therefore, f dash of y is equal to, it is 3 into 225. 3 into 225, 675 into y square. Okay, y cube चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय 3y square minus 4, it is 120 y cube and plus 5 into y to the power 4. Now take f dash of y is equal to 0. Therefore, this term is equal to 0. Therefore, 5y to the power 4 minus 120 y cube plus 675 y square is equal to 0. Okay. Now take the factor here. 5y square common घ्या. 5y square common घेतल्यानंतर इथे किती राहते 2. It is y square. Take 5y square common. Then here remaining it is 5y square minus here 24y and plus 135 is equal to 0. Therefore, y square minus 24y plus 135 is equal to 0. Okay. Now take the factors. 135 multiplication, addition, it is minus 24, minus 15, minus 9. Therefore, y minus 9 and y minus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore, y minus 9 equal to 0 and y minus 15 equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 9 and y is equal to 15. Now, find f double dash of y. Find f double dash of y. Then f dash, it is f dash. Then find f double dash of y. It is 675. 675. It is 2 into 675. आता हे किती होते 2 into 675. It is 600. It is 1350. Y minus 360 y square and plus 20 y to the power 3. Therefore, f double dash of y, take 10y common. Then here 135 minus 36y and plus 10y square. Okay. Take it, it is 2y square. Okay. Then take a 10 common. Okay. Then put both values. Therefore, f double dash of 9 is equal to, it is 10 into 9, 135 minus 36 into 9 and plus 2 into 9 square. Take the calculation, it is 900, it is positive. Then here 135 minus, it is 9 into 6, it is 4. So 9 into 3, 27. 27 plus 3. 27 plus 3 it is. And plus 81. 81 it is 162. And now it is 135, 160. 135 plus 160, it is 5, 9 and it is 2 minus 304. and it is negative but it is less than 0, and therefore f double dash of f of y is maximum at y is equal to 9. Okay, here असंच f double dash of 15 काढा, ते मिनिमम येईल. आपल्याला कोणती व्हॅल्यू काढायची, दॅट इज द मॅक्झिमम, दॅट इज y इज इक्वल टू 9 and then x is equal to 6. 15 minus y, that are the two numbers. Okay, हे झालं तुमचं कॅल्क्युलेशन. बट हिअर तुम्ही आता इथं काय केलेलं आहे, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एफ ऑफ वायच्या फॉर्ममध्ये. ओके, हे केअरफुली पहा, लास्टला आन्सर लिहायचं राहिले, हे केअरफुली पहा. आपण जर इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स जर केलं असतं तर काय झालं असतं, सेम आलं असतं, एक्सची व्हॅल्यू आली असते, दॅट इज 6. ओके, हिअर इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स पहा, हिअर इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स y is equal to 15 minus x, then it is, therefore here f of x is equal to x square into 15 minus x whole cube. then याला सॉल्व करावं लागलं असतं, हे क्यूब करा, एक्सपांड a मायनस बी होल क्यूबचा फॉर्म्युला, a मायनस बी होल क्यूब काय, इट इज a मायनस बी होल क्यूब, इट इज a क्यूब मायनस 3a बी स्क्वेअर प्लस 3a स्क्वेअर बी आणि मायनस बी क्यूब. ओके, या फॉर्म्युल्याचं एक्सपान्शन करा, पुन्हा एक्स स्क्वेअरनं मल्टिप्लाय करा. जसं इथं 5y स्क्वेअर कॉमन काढले तसंच इथं दुसरी टर्म कॉमन निघत. यानं होमवर्क करून पहा हे प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, फक्त आपण काय थोडं सिम्प्लिफाय होण्यासाठी क्यूब करण्याच्या ऐवजी स्क्वेअर केला, म्हणजे इन टर्म्स ऑफ वायच्या फॉर्ममध्ये दिलेले, हे इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स, याला एक्सपांड करा या फॉर्म्युल्यानुसार. त्याच्यानंतर आपण जसं 5y स्क्वेअर कॉमन काढले तसं इथं काहीतरी एक्स क्यूब किंवा एक्स टू द पॉवर 4च्या फॉर्ममध्ये कॉमन काढायला लागणार आहे. तर एक्स क्यूबच्या फॉर्ममध्ये कॉमन काढा. ओके, आणि कॉमन काढल्याच्यानंतर त्याला सॉल्व करा. जितके आन्सर्स येतील, एक्सच्या व्हॅल्यू ज्या ज्या येतील त्या व्हॅल्यू डबल डेरिव्हेटिव्हमध्ये ठेवा आणि आपल्याला मॅक्झिमम जी व्हॅल्यू येईल ती व्हॅल्यू घ्यायची. ओके, हे प्रॉब्लेम नंतर करून पहा. ओके, याच्यानंतरचे बाकीचे एक्झाम्पल नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये घेऊ.